So the first one is that this will just be, we're going to just tell people about our video series.
Okay. So am I going to be?
Yeah. So you're talking about it, and not that if I can say, I'm JJ the CPA, and this is my son Cooper. Mm-hmm. Let's see, how was I going to go? Hey, doing. This is my son Cooper.
This is my dad JJ,
the CPA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. Well, welcome. This is my son Cooper.
This is my dad JJ the CPA.
So we're excited. We're going to be putting together a weekly series of 10 episodes each Sunday that's going to just talk about things dealing with money. So my son is a senior in high school. He's interning with me. I have a CPA practice, and we got together and thought this might be fun to put together a series dealing with money. So each series will be directed at a different age group. So our first series will be K through 4th grade. We'll have those that are millennials just getting out of college, those that are in middle school, high school, in college, small business owners, QuickBooks. It'll be exciting. We plan to put together, as I indicated, 10 videos that we'll release every Sunday, and we hope that you will tune in and check it out.
Yeah, I think it'll be exciting for people to watch, especially all age groups, just because, I'll be giving information that I've learned over the years and dealing with money. And then, like he said, being an intern with him over the summer, that just the things I've learned in accounting that I could at such a young age. But I'm excited to share that information with everyone.
Wow, what a natural, right? Well, we hope you tune in, get ready. Be sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and then tune in every Sunday for 10 new episodes. And we really appreciate you tuning in. Be easy on us because we're going to do the best that we can. All right. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Love it if you'd subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a son and a father quite like us. There it is. That was so awesome.
Yeah.